Now guys, we take dimension from Alcantara, then we apply glue on the ceiling panel, and then pasta over the Alcantara and pasta over the rack arches. That's all guys. Now we need to assemble the panel back into place, and then look at the result. After we disassemble the ceiling panel, reach it from the right door. The seat on the which I sit. The seat on which I sit, the back rotate to the rear. The gear selector, move it rear position. After, take the panel vent free. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.